Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get off of caffeine. Begin by slowly cutting back your daily intake over a few weeks. For example, if you drink 3 cups of coffee, try reducing to 2.5, then 2. This gradual approach helps your body adjust and minimizes withdrawal symptoms. As you reduce caffeine, you might experience headaches, fatigue, or irritability. To manage these, ensure you drink plenty of water and prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Gentle exercise, like walking, can also help. For headaches, over-the-counter pain relievers can provide relief. Replace your usual caffeinated drinks with alternatives like herbal teas or decaffeinated coffee. Boost your natural energy with nutritious snacks such as fruits and nuts. Don't hesitate to share your goal with friends or family for encouragement. Finding non-caffeine energy boosters, like a brisk walk, can also be very helpful. Once you've successfully reduced your caffeine intake, be aware of hidden caffeine in foods and medications. Establish new, healthy routines that don't rely on caffeine for energy. Celebrate your achievements along the way to stay motivated. Maintaining a caffeine-free lifestyle is a journey, and consistency is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.